What's up guys, it's me Eric B and welcome back to the channel. And lately I've been doing a lot of work to the Ducati, and this time we're going to be doing some upgrades to the Aprilia. I know it's been a while, and what I'm going to be doing is upgrading the crash protection on the cases here on the sides. I know I still got to do some like frame sliders and some stuff to the tank and stuff like that, but we're going to be starting with this first. And what I decided to go with was GB Racing. So this is the packaging that everything comes in. So this is for the RS660, and it's even FIM quality. So let me go ahead, break these bad boys out and show you what it looks like. All right guys, so this is everything that comes in those bags. As you can see, very nice quality looking pieces here. This is everything you get for the RS660, and they do hook you up with instructions and hardware for each piece. And what I gotta do first is go ahead and get these fairings off so we can get started. All right, here we go. We got the covers out that we need for the right side. I got the fairing off, and you only really have to take off the top piece here. You don't have to really remove the bottom. I did loosen a bolt right there just so I can move this over a little bit just to get to that. So your alternator or stator cover, you're gonna put right there, and then your other smaller cover is gonna go right over here. So there's no instructions though on how to get that one on, which I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory and everything, but the instructions are actually pretty nice. They're colored. All the information is easy to read and everything, because most of the instructions you get with some things are kind of hard to understand. But you only get instructions for the stator cover and the clutch cover. So I don't see one for the smaller cover on here, but like I said, it's pretty self-explanatory. So go ahead and follow the instructions here. So there's 4 bolts they're gonna have to remove off of here, and then you're gonna use the hardware that's supplied and install it onto the cover once you put it back on here. So I'll go ahead and get that done now. All right, so per the instructions, you're gonna remove the 4 bolts. So this is number 1 up top, got number 2 down there, number 3, and then number 4 is kind of right there, hiding behind that plastic piece. So once you do that, your supplied hardware, get 4 new bolts. 2 are gonna be longer than the other ones, so these are the shorter ones. Your 2 longer ones are gonna go on the thicker portion of the cover there on the right side, and then your shorter ones are gonna go on the bottom of the left side right here. So once you get those on, the instructions say torque down to 12 Newton meters. So if you have a torque wrench, go ahead and use that. I don't have one that goes that low, so I'm just gonna do it nice and hand tight, and you don't wanna strip any of your bolts on any parts of the engine or anything like that, so that'll result in a bad day. So let's go ahead and get that done. And that's it guys, it's that simple. So you just wanna make sure that you loosely put those bolts on there before you tighten everything down. And also the socket you need is at 8mm. All right, so I was just being a blonde and didn't flip the page over. So here are the instructions for the water pump right here. And I was a little confused at first because it came with 2 copper washers, and you know, you have 3 bolts, so you figured it'd be 3 washers. But really, this is for 1 bolt. It's gonna go on the bottom right there, where this, you loosen this up in order to make the fluid come out whenever you drain the radiator fluid. But as you can see in the instructions right here, if I can get this to focus, you'll see 1 washer will go on the bolt side right here towards the head, and on the other side, that's gonna go towards the body of the bike. So just know that's what that is for, and the torque settings are still the same, about 12 Newton meters. All right, so that is going to leak a lot, so you gotta be really quick when you do it. So just be aware of that. All right, so beware, the fluid is gonna come out all over the place. So you have to be super fast, and I was not as fast. It just started coming out all over the place, so I'm gonna have to probably check the radiator and add some more to it. But man, it's tricky. So once you get that out, just get this on there as fast as you can, and then you'll be all right. All right, no worries. Got my engine ice here. Just pouring some more back into the radiator. Just makes it easier when the fairing's off and everything. But back to the task at hand. We have the clutch side right here, as you can see. I'm gonna be putting that bad boy on right there. And in the instructions and the hardware, actually you get one long one, two medium ones, and one small one. So in the instructions, you'll see right here, the small one will go right there on the far right. You'll have the very long one go on the far left, and then the two medium go up on top. So same torque, 12 Newton meters, and pretty simple to get it on, so let's do it. All right, real quick update. So if some of you were watching very closely, I made a mistake. So that bolt was supposed to go right here. For whatever reason, I put it right there. So I just need to, I'm gonna have to pull the whole thing back off just to get the old bolt off on this side and do it the right way. So man, I can't believe, I didn't catch it till the end, but yeah, too easy. I'm just gonna pull it off and then correct that, that issue right there. So yeah, let me go ahead and fix that real quick. All right guys, that's it. So super easy install, cannot be more pleased. Everything was straightforward with the instructions and the whole installation of everything. And if you're looking to pick these up for your RS660 or any other bike, definitely check out Motomachines. Shout out to those guys. I'll leave a link down in the description below. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.